Dito kami guys, nag-fishing ng aking boyfriend. Ayan, dito sa cabin ng kanyang, kanyang kapatid. Ayan. At, pakita ko na to noon sa video yung pumunta kami dito. Ayan, dito kami. Ayan, siya may, nagpi-fishing na siya. Nagsimula na siyang mag-fishing. Ayan, nag-fishing yung boyfriend ko. Hindi pa siya nakakuha ng fish. Yan, ito po yung cabin ng kanyang brother. Ayan. Did you get the fish? What did you get? Oh my god. Oh my god. She got the fish.
Yeah, but it's quite little.
It's alright. My love, where it is? You got the fish, my love. You got the fish. Wow. You got a fish.
Yeah, we got a very good hook here. Oh shit.
May I see, my love? It's a small one.
Yeah, it's very small. It's not very much to catch.
You throw it again?
Yeah, so if I can get it loose.
Uy. Now she will die.
It will not die, but it's a little hurt in her mouth.
She will die when you throw it again. It's better to bring home and you eat.
Yeah, but that's not very much to eat, my love.
It's okay. Just put there. We can eat that. Yay! Katuliler.
Basha?
Yeah.
The Basha?
Ba siya? Oh, stalker.
It's afraid?
Yay! You happy?
Yeah. I was hoping for something bigger.
Kuha siya ng fish, guys.
Try again.
Ah! Yan gayo. Kakuha siya ng fish. This is oret.
What is that?
Stalker. Oh, stalker, do. Your mama is there waiting to you. Hala, hala, hala.
Yeah, it's alive. I have not killed it yet.
This is oret, my love. Is very good.
It's a very young one.
So ito guys, so yung yung wild strawberry dito. To may pangalan to. Masarap to kainin. Kinakain to nila dito at ginagawang jam. Ayan. Ito yung mga wild strawberry na napaka-healthy. Yan guys, oh. Sarap nito kainin. Yan guys, kinakain to, masarap. Matamis. Ito guys, hindi pa to hinog. Malapit to mahinog. Ayan. Ito yung niya, yung dahon niya. Ayan guys, oh. Nagpipishing pa siya. Kanina pa yan siya dyan. Dito kami, hapon na. Medyo makulimlim ngayon kasi siya, umulan kanina. Yan, nakakuha ng siguro yan siya. Hindi pa nakakuha. Yan nga, narinig nyo yung kling kling kling, ano yan, yung ano bang tawag niyan sa Bisaya o sa Tagalog, tupa. Nilagyan nila ng anong ganyan kasi para malaman ng may-ari kung saan sila napunta yung mga ano, mga tupa. Ang ganda dito guys pag summer. Kasi ayan, magpipishing, ayan, mangunguha ng mga wild strawberry kasi, pero yung mga red berry at saka blackberry gaya na mga wild berries hindi pa masyadong hinog at hindi pa ready na pitasin. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. There, my love, oh! Yeah, there's a lot there. There.
Coming here now.
Okay. Because they say the color of the, what you call that, my love? They will see that color that is sparkling in under the water. Ah!
I will see it.
Only one. Only one fish that you only can eat that. It's okay as long as you get one. Only one fish, the small one. You gonna go home, my love. Ito guys, mga blueberry to siya. Ayan, oh. Kaso lang wala ditong ano, wala masyadong, hindi namunga dito. Tingnan. Meron ang bunga pero hindi masyado. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ba, hindi mapakita. Ayan. Ayan po, hindi masyadong mabunga. Dito kasi hindi kasi naarawan. Ayan. Ayan po ang mga blackberry. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan po ang mga ano nila. Mga dahon. Isa lang nakuha na fish na ano, fishing siya, isa lang nakuha na fish. Tawang-tawa siya. Ayan ngayon, ngayon lang namumulaklak itong strawberry, ay blueberry. Ayan yung bulak niya, yung flower, namumulaklak pa yung iba. Ayan, hindi pa talaga masyadong ano, nagsisimula pa yung iba. Yes, I'm very proud of you, my love. You got one fish. That's better than nothing. You get thirsty?
Not so very much food, my love.
What?
There's a big one there.
Where?
In the middle of the water.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, it's jumping there, my love. Oh,
Yeah.
it's jumping. There's a lot in the middle.
They are saying to me, Bada, you don't catch us.
This weekend that you can harvest this already. Yeah, next week we're going to Alcanta, so we don't have time to picking this. And when we come back, and then we don't have this anymore.
Then they will harvest in the cabin.
Really? There's a lot there. Masarap yan siya gagawing ano. Jam. Uy, there's a lot, my love, oh. There's a lot. There's a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're so cute when they're bringing the one fish. You look so cute.
I have 6 food for us, my love.
Stackar, Sharisten men. Bara fisk. You look cute when you're bringing that. Yan guys, so yan tinatawag dito na kantaril na ano nakakain at masarap to na ano na mushroom sa Norway. Ayan. Ha, you can take it? Okay. So cute. Ayan guys, yung tinatawag dito na kantaril mushroom. But there's when you go there in the other side, maybe there's a lot. Ay, struggling.
Inside.
Maybe there a lot.
Yeah, maybe. But it's quite early.
Today?
It's quite early for the company yet. But I know some places it's when I go there it's a lot there.
Where? Which place?
I cannot explain it, but you can go with me.
Okay.
But it's not finished yet. After we are leaving Alicante, I think.
Okay.
You can stop.
Sarap to guys, ano daw ng umilit. O saing. Ito. Masarap to. Ito yung mga kinukuha dito ng mga Norwegian na mushrooms. Ayan. Masarap to siya. Igisa ng butter. And also this is a good for like a cook for put some butter.
Yeah. Very good with
Huh?
the beef.
Beef?
Yeah, they tried it.
Mhm.
Try it with butter.
Yeah.
Beside the beef. It's very good. You can also put it in sauce, you know.
Brown sauce.
No, not brown. Röte. Cream sauce.
So there's a lot of eggs here, my love.
Yeah.
Ano yan, summer house ng kanyang parents yan. At itong mga itong lupain dito yung mga farm dito sa kanila to. Ayan. That one, my love, oh. That one, oh, I ate that. That one, I told you. Yeah. What they call that? Huh? Yeah, ringabar. It is good. Yeah, it's like this. Me and Sophia always speaking this. Yeah, this is wild. Ringabar. Ito yung mga wild berry. Yan. Dami dito guys. Oh, yan. Namulaklak pa. Hindi pa ready yung iba. Oh, yan. Oh. Namulaklak yung iba. Ayan. Hindi pa yan ready. What you looking for? What's that? Mm. Oh, very sweet, my love. Mm. The kanta na equising, my love. the equising. I forgot. Yan, ang ganda ng mga wildflower. Guys, oh. Ganda yan. Ganda yung pagmasdan. Tapos ito. Ito yung wildflower nila. Ganda gaya ang mga wildflower. Oh, yan. Ganda, oh. Ganda talaga na, ano, pag titingnan tong mga wildflower. Dami dito.